Struggling to lose weight with PCOS? The truth is, you are not alone. PCOS is a hormonal condition that, or you can say PCOS is a hormonal disorder that affects 1 in 10 women. It can cause insulin resistance, making weight loss more challenging. Today's video is all about weight loss and PCOS. So stay tuned and stay updated. Now let me talk about the myth. सबसे बड़ा जो गलतफहमी है, PCOS makes weight loss impossible. ऐसा आपका सोचना है कि PCOS की वजह से weight loss impossible हो जाता है, जबकि right truth क्या है? With the right approach and sustainable, regular and consistency, you can reduce your weight. You can achieve weight loss with PCOS also. But you have to focus on various things. So let me provide you some tips. Number 1, focus on balanced diet with protein, fiber and healthy fats. You don't have to exclude out fat. You have to intake healthy fats. Protein, fiber and healthy fats. Number 2, reduce refined carbs and added sugar products. So you have to completely cut off the packed food, packaged food and the refined sugar and all those stuff which includes sugar in one or the other form or in the hidden form. Number 3, exercise. Regular exercise is very important, but that doesn't mean that you have to do lots of exercise. 20 to 30 minute exercise per day is more than enough. For this, we also offers you online yoga classes. For your concerns, you can simply join my online yoga classes with me and continue. If you are unable to do exercise or yoga or fitness things for yourself, you are too lazy or you need a push, then you can join. Number 4, manage stress through relaxation technique. The best thing which I recommend to my patient is doing mantra therapy. Just recite any mantra, recalling Almighty all the time. You can recite any name. I usually recite Astaghfirullah. You can recite any name or you can say any verse according to your religious belief. Next is your getting enough quality sleep. It is very important. If you're not sleeping on time and if you're not getting up on time and if you're not taking proper sleep, it can lead to water retention and you will see the swelling in your legs, you will see the swelling on your face, you will see the puffy eyes and many more things. Now let's emphasize on consistency. Consistency play an important role. Don't give up. This is the main thing which you have to focus on. With the right mindset and support, you have got this. Now you have to achieve the other things also. This you have to keep in mind कि मैंने इतनी मेहनत की है, मुझे इतना मिल गया है, अब आगे भी और मेहनत करनी है और मुझे अपने गोल तक पहुंचना है. So you have to be consistent. Consistency play an important role. Never change your mind and don't do small changes like today you are taking one diet plan and the other day you have seen that many people are getting result out of this diet plan, you are shifting towards that. Don't do such kind of changes. Consult any good physician. You can also book your consultation with me and then start your journey. Now the last thing, if you are struggling and with the right mindset, you want yourself to be cured or you want to reverse your PCOS, I am here to support you. For this, you just need to follow me and book your consultation with me for personal guidance if you want. That is completely optional. Follow for more PCOS-friendly tips and don't forget to share your valuable feedback in the comment section.